Hey everyone, this is One Guy 23 Horses, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. And welcome back to Inside Formulas today. So today is going to be a really exciting day because we'll be welding the shock mounts and suspension mounts to the chassis, and then also welding the A-arms. So by another 2-3 days, I guess the car will be on wheel. So really excited. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, there's a slight issue right now. This is the bolt that goes into this hole, and as you can see, the hole is bigger. So we thought of getting it laser cut again, but it will delay the process. So right now the instant fix is cutting it at this point and drilling the hole here with that bench drilling machine over there. So I've already cut the pieces. Now just trying to give it a round shape like this in the grinding machine. So this is the bench grinding machine. So I'll be first leveling this thing out and taking out the burrs, and then I'll be rounding the edges. What are you doing?
We are trying to mount the rack and pinion, finding out the hole points where we should drill holes, and then we'll mount the rack and pinion. That's what we're finding the hole point.
So Akshay is making the mounts for engine for the front mount. Rajkiran, what are you doing?
I'm doing seat mountings.
Okay. As you can see, all the suspension mounting points are tack welded onto the chassis, and then we'll be tack welding the engine mounts. So we'll be using a KTM RC390 engine. As you can see, the bike is lying over there, and then we'll be welding the A-arms.
One eternity later.
Hey everyone, One Guy 23 Horses here. I'm really sorry, and I know that I haven't uploaded a video since a month, but there was a huge spike in the number of cases, and I didn't want to risk my life or my teammates' life, and hence I had to stop going to the workshop. So the previous section of the video which you have seen till now was actually shot and edited a month before, but then that's where everything stopped. We stopped going to the college, and right now Karnataka and Bangalore is in lockdown. So as you all know, we have to be extremely responsible and wear masks when you go out, and only go out when you want to buy essential stuff, because the doctors out there, the nurse, and all the frontline warriors who are out there fighting this pandemic from ground zero, they are facing a huge problem, and we don't want to be ones who are adding up to the problem by being irresponsible. So a quick update on the car as well. So the car is already on wheels. So we've welded the A-arms and all the mounting points, so the car is completely on wheels, and we'll only resume when it is safe out there, or only maybe probably when all of us get vaccinated and the lockdown ends. So probably that's when we're gonna resume. And I feel that it is very necessary for us to stay strong, both physically and mentally as well, because when we look around us, when we look at the news, what we see is only death or the number of cases rising. It kinds of like distracts our minds and puts us down. But it's important for all of us to keep control over our minds and do something which diverts you away. It's not that we should ignore it. You try to help whoever you can, but also try to make sure that it doesn't affect your brains much. So in the future, in the next video I'll be explaining about what I'll be doing um, to have a change from all these, because from the past few months we've been working day in and day out of only formula student and all that stuff. So I also want to take a quick break from all these and try something new, try to get some new skills. So I'll be explaining all that in the next video. So until we meet again, stay safe, stay responsible, wear masks, use sanitizers, and don't add up to the problems already faced by doctors.